What's up guys, Alex with your Tech Explained, and in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why the S9 Plus is better than the Pixel 2 XL. Now before you go off in the comments seeing all the rude things you want to say, please know that I created another video in which I talk about 5 reasons why the Pixel 2 XL is better than the S9 Plus. And the purpose for these videos is to help you make a better decision on which of the two might be better for you to buy. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's jump right in. So the first reason is the display. I think that Samsung beats almost every smartphone maker in this department when it comes to a nice looking screen on their phones. And really when you put it up against the Pixel 2 XL, the differences here are really no joke. The colors on the display of the S9 Plus are bright, beautiful, and vibrant. I like to call it the eye candy of screens when it comes to smartphones, and huge props to Samsung for always giving us a beautiful display. The second reason is wireless charging. Though a lot of people really don't care about wireless charging, me personally, it's a huge plus for me. I have wireless chargers in my bedroom, in my office, and just around my home. And so wireless charging is something that I look for in a smartphone. The Pixel 2 XL unfortunately doesn't have wireless charging, and at the price that Google's selling it for, I really wish that it did. So huge props to Samsung for continuing to put wireless charging in their smartphones, and this is just one of the reasons that I really like this phone. The next reason is the headphone jack. Yes, I know that most phones today don't have a headphone jack, but it really does make my life easier when I can use the aux cable in my car and I don't have to carry extra adapters, or if I'm in a situation where I don't have Bluetooth headphones and I just want to use a regular pair of earphones or headphones. So if you're like me, the S9 Plus might seem a little more appealing because of the fact that it has a headphone jack, and the Pixel 2 XL, well, it doesn't. And the fourth reason is design. Now, I'm going to be honest, this was the most difficult one to add to this list. Reason being is I think that the Pixel 2 XL is a well-designed phone. It's actually rather appealing to me personally. But I gotta give it to Samsung as it comes to design and build of the S9 Plus compared to the Pixel 2 XL. The S9 Plus just looks better, and it also has a more premium feel to it, and it's available in more colors. So as it comes to design, for me personally, I think that the S9 Plus is better than the Pixel 2 XL. The fifth and final reason is pricing and availability. Yes, though it's only by around $10, the S9 Plus costs less than the Pixel 2 XL. And on top of that, I can get an S9 Plus from almost anywhere phones are sold. This makes it easier for consumers to purchase the phone from wherever they please without having to finance from Google or have to switch phone service to Verizon. Alright guys, so there you have it. 5 reasons why the S9 Plus is better than the Pixel 2 XL. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up. I'm Alex with your Tech Explained, and I'll catch you guys in our next video.